Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique, and
Today we're going to see how to make a lined page on Google Docs. So you just need to first of all you just select the margin, that how length that you want the line. If you want to near the edge, you can adjust the margin like this. I just going to select like this. Okay, then you can change the scale on the both the side like this. You can see the changes. Then go to the insert option here and click on the table option. You just need to select a 1:1 a cell. You can see now it has been inserted here, so the margin has been changed. So okay, you can add, you just want to adjust the margin first itself. Then you just want to click inside the table, right click on here. You can just click to the table properties. Then you just choose the color, and here you just want to click the dark gray cube to make the line shade. After that, just click this portion exact this side left side of the border. Then you can see the border width option here. You just change it to the 0 point. The same condition to the right side, select it, change the border width to the 0 point. Now everything has been created. Then you just need to insert a row below. Make this option again and again. You can see the line page has been formatting now. So after inserting the row for after inserting the row for every space that on your page, you can just copy the same thing for the next page, or you can just make a copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You can see the line has been copied. You just select everything, but the particular thing you just need to a space between this will be a error. So you just fill a page, then copy the same thing to the next page. The perfect line page will be formed on your Google Docs. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends who want this information, these tips on the Google Docs. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.